Hey everyone, it's Ty Clark here with Exit Realty Riverside. Just wanted to drop in real quick and remind you about the housing industry workshop that we're going to be doing on February 21st. That's the third Thursday of the month. We're actually going to be doing this event throughout 2019, every third Thursday of the month. So Miss Katie Caldwell is going to be dropping some knowledge on us. So bring your questions, bring your excitement, energy, and your learning caps as well. So anything that you can possibly think of about the mortgage industry, anything you can possibly think of about the real estate industry, we're going to try to cover as much of this in the hour and a half span as we possibly can. So looking forward to seeing you guys out there. Again, if you want to RSVP, if you are going to be coming, either go to Eventbrite and you can look up the housing industry workshop and just RSVP. The tickets are free there, or you can just select that you're going on the Facebook event page. So looking forward to seeing all you guys out there. And once again, we're going to be at 131 Donaldson Pike in Nashville, Tennessee, 37214. Or you can just Google the Donaldson Event Center. It should pop right up and should be able to plug that into your GPS and come on over. Looking forward to seeing all you guys there. Thanks.